Our next awardee is Sean Timothy P. Katausan, Bubbles, and then that one. And ito po ang kanya certificate and for parents. Yay! We will provide the paint and the paint brushes. And if gusto nyo pa po mag-painting, pwede pa po. Gusto nyo ng snacks, may snacks po tayo dito and meron din po tayong refreshments available sa cooler. Pili na lang po kayo ng color for mommy, for daddy, and for baby. Ano sa'yo?
And brush.
Paints!
Yan, sige, open.
Okay na, one lang.
Okay na.
Maglaro.
Paint mami sa yellow.
Paint your hand.
Yellow
With daddy and mommy.
Dali, paint mo si mami.
Si mommy naman.
Open sa.
Baka mapatanong mo. Dito lang.
O, yan na si daddy, anak. Ha? Paint? O, painter. O, painter. O.
Yours? Alin dyan ang handprint ni Sean?
This activity, families, this activity will be balancing the ball and walking from one end to the other. Walk around like this. We're gonna play relay.
Iba na naman nilalaro mo. Pass the ball, oh. In 1, 2, 3, go!
Okay, I'll take this. Thank you.
So, ang gagawin po natin magsakay ni ate, titas.
Ready, set, go! Go!
Nasaan na po yung pair?
Balik kay daddy. Paunahang maghag kay daddy.
I'm the winner! Our next awardee is Sean Timothy P. Katausan. Sean Timothy P. Katausan, who completed 4, 5, and 6 din. 3 cycles ka na with us. Congratulations! Yay! Bubbles, and then that one. And ito po ang kanya certificate and for parents. Yay! Isa pa. Thank you. Pero parehas tayo ng pinagbilhan ng case. This one is for
Like this.